Some shapes are very strange, so we will try to make some unique tutorials to show you and get the knowledge from these tutorials. You will learn many things about the Photoshop and editing, so they will polish your skills to edit the images and customize the designs. Also, you can generate the designs here. So let's apply the changes there, make some further designs. We are having a new shape, so let's try to make the changes. Also use it, add a paint over it. So there we are. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.